Welcome to Cozy Nerd Crafts. This video is a tutorial on using the SVG file that I have uploaded in Cricut to cut out the printables that I sell in my Etsy shop, Cozy Nerd Crafts. If you purchase the printable, it will come in a JPEG form, 8.5 by 11 size. This is also 8.5 by 11. And the first thing we need to do with this is to upload that printable sheet so that we will have it within our Cricut Design Space to work with. So we go to the upload, which is right there. And you can see I've done a lot of uploads, but I'm going to show you how to upload the image. When you upload the image, you browse and find it within your computer, find the file that you want, click on that file, and then click open down below. Okay, it opens it up, shows you the image, and you hit continue. And then here it's going to bring it in. Yep, that's it. And you say apply and continue. And then you will see these options, but you just want the flat graphic for this. There it is, and you're going to upload it, and there we go. Now it will pop into your canvas. And the first thing you have to do is to size it correctly. For whatever reason, Cricut always uploads them bigger than they are. So if that lock is locked, then in the width, we could just change the width to 11, and it pops right into that 8.5 by 11, and set those files right on top of each other. Okay, now you have two. You have to select them both. The first option, you can shift click, and that will highlight them both. Or in the upper menu, you can select all. Down below now, you can see that you have the option to slice, and that's what we're going to be doing here. When you hit that slice button, it produces 3 different artifacts, and the only one you need is the one that has your bookmarks in it, so you're going to get rid of the others. So delete and delete, and there are your bookmarks, ready to be made, printed, and cut. So we're going to make that and move on to the make menus. Just a few things to highlight here. The first is it will not fit for print and cut on an 8.5 by 11. There are different things that we need to do to it to make it fit. If you want the full size, I recommend that you just use 8.5 by 14 paper or 11 by 17. However, you can size these down, and they'll all group together. And so you can see from this that you have to get them much smaller than they are. So they're not going to produce that 2 by 6 bookmark. But once you get it all the way down to the right side, then when you go into that make menu, then you can choose the 8.5 by 11 sheet, and it will make those for you. So now we move back into that make menu because we have the sizing correct. It's going to pop up the old paper, but in this drop down, you can now pick 8.5 by 11. Now, Cricut will do the switching for you. You don't have to worry about that. It will now be on that sheet, and you can just continue from here to the printing menu. When I send things to the printer, I like to do a couple of things with bookmarks. First, you pick your printer. Then you add bleed. I do this with bookmarks because it doesn't matter if they bleed, but also it's helpful so that you don't just get a big black outline there. Then find your printer on the print menu, and then you go into it, and it's going to show you different options. I have some things set up for my printer, and so I just went ahead and printed it. Once that's done, then you can choose what you want. I have heavy cardstock already bookmarked, and that's what I pick for these. I usually print them on heavy cardstock. You choose your pressure that you want, and then you go ahead and start loading your mat and doing the rest. So that's how you do it. It's really easy, and I wish you the best of luck as you're printing out these bookmarks. You can find more printable crafts at Cozy Nerd Crafts on Etsy. Please like the channel and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, tutorials, or anything else, and let me know what you would like to see. Thanks.